Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Midjourney, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, what is Midjourney pricing? So how much does it cost? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too much to go over, and rather than showing you how much I pay for Midjourney, I'm going to show you how you can find that information. But why would you want to know the Midjourney pricing anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. With AI taking over, Midjourney is definitely one of the more popular platforms to create images. But in order to do that, you do need to sign up for a paid subscription. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process to find that information. It's going to be here in your Midjourney account. Once you set up a Midjourney account, it's going to bring you here to the home screen. So you can go ahead and view the images. However, in order to start creating images, you do need to sign up for a paid subscription. So here on the left, you want to click on subscribe. Okay, Midjourney has a lot of different tiers of their pricing. So first thing you want to look for is click on yearly or monthly. So if you're going to be using Midjourney to create your images, you may want to sign up for the yearly billing because you get a 20% discount. However, if you want to do monthly, you can go ahead and click right here and it's less commitment. Now you can go ahead and compare the different plans here. Just keep in mind that Midjourney could change their prices at any time. So they have a basic plan, a standard plan, a pro plan, and mega plan. So for the basic plan, it's only $10 per month if you're going to do monthly, and the mega plan is going to be about $120 per month. So right below the pricing plan, it's going to let you know the different benefits. The biggest benefit is going to be how many images you're going to be generating per month. So as you can see with the basic plan, it's usually going to be sufficient depending on if you're just maybe a beginner blogger or something like that. You can do 200 per month. However, if you upgrade to the standard plan, it jumps to 15 hours. Now, if you want to be able to edit the images once they've been created in Midjourney, you will need to sign up for the yearly billing because right here, you can see use editor on uploaded images is only available if you have the yearly billing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what Midjourney pricing is, it's going to be somewhere between $8 and $120 per month, depending on how long you commit for, and then also how many images you're going to be generating with AI. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what Midjourney pricing is, that's the easiest way I know how to find that information. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.